Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative because in this video I am sharing a wide variety of design ideas of hand embroidery dresses. All of these designs are very beautiful. Some of them are neckline embroidery designs, some of them are very beautiful design patterns of embroidery borders, hand embroidery sleeve designs, hand embroidery motifs, and much more. Different multicolor embroidery patterns, modern embroidery patterns, shaded embroidery. All of these are totally made with the help of hand art, hand embroidery, and all of these dresses are very beautiful designer style and very picky, and they are trending, highly in demand. And you can pair up these shirts with your denim pants, jeans, trousers, capri, cigarette pants, and different types of trousers as well. So you can make these patterns. All of them are very pretty. So if you talk about how you are going to make them, then only one stitch would be enough for you. That is, if you know Brazilian embroidery, then it's absolutely for you. And if you know Mexican embroidery, there's only one stitch, that is a big and small and medium level satin stitch. So you can use Mexican embroidery as well to embroider these very beautiful shirts. All of these designs are very pretty, handsome, decent, elegant, and attractively eye-catching. You can wear them on your normal days, everyday look, casual look, for your office look, every look that you want to create. It's best for you. So you can also embroider these patterns onto your denim jackets, denim shirts. Even you can make these very beautiful onto your kurtis, onto your long gowns, maxis, onto your Ukrainian dresses, Mexican shirts, long coats, hand knitted material like sweaters, cardigans, ponchos, and even handmade hand knitted long coats, short coats, medium length coats. I hope that my today's video is helpful for you, creative for you. You have gotten very beautiful and creative ideas, and now you have make up your mind that how you are going to design your dresses. So with this, allow me to leave. I will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas. Up till then, take care of yourselves and you don't go anywhere. Kindly watch the video till end. You will be amazed to get all type of very beautiful and creative design ideas of hand embroidery dresses, and you can design them by sitting at your home. And if we talk about the embroidery thread, that which embroidery thread you are going to use for making these patterns, then the answer to this question is again very easy, that you can use wool embroidery for making these patterns. Wool is a best embroidery thread for making these, because wool would give a very fancy 3D enhanced look and a fuller embroidery. So if you want some matte, dull, and decent and delicate pressed embroidery, then go for anchor, TMC, or butterfly. So that was all for today. I hope that you have all your questions answered about dress designing, about your dressing sense, about your styling guide. And now go and try these embroidery patterns and share your experiences with us in the comment section. Don't forget to comment below and let us know what you feel about our design ideas, about our content, and what you want us to share with you. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon back in my new video. Up till then, take care of yourself, spread positivity, be positive, and be a cause of positive motivation for your friends and family, and try to ease the hurdle of others so that your hurdles could be eased easily and automatically, and every difficult or complex path of yours become easier and easier. Thank you so much for watching my content. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow us and spread your love and share our videos massively with your friends and family. Thank you once again.